Do you really want your kids to eat some more vegetables? This is like the perfect dish. Potato, eggplant, and smoked chicken. So delicious, so amazing, so flavorful with rice. Mm-mm-mm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make an easy recipe and kids will definitely like it. So first you're gonna put some oil, use about 4 tablespoons. Then we're gonna fry up some garlic and some onions, chop them up and add it to the pan and leave that fry until it's a bit brown. And then you're gonna add the tomatoes, fry it up. Then we're gonna add some smoked chicken. You can also add some vegetarian chicken. You can add some fish. Oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Then we're gonna add some black pepper, some salt. If you want, you can add your salt at the end because smoked chicken tends to be salty. Yes, I add some brown sugars so it can caramelize the taste and also balance the flavors. We're gonna leave that fry together with some potato. Make sure to cut your potato into small cubes. Stir it up. And then we're gonna add some scallions. And we're gonna leave it fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. We want to make sure that the potato is a bit soft so we can add our eggplant after that. Make sure to cut it into really small pieces so it can cook faster. And I also remove the skin. You can also leave the skin on, but my children tends to find the skin. Stir it up and we're gonna leave that cook until the eggplant is nice and soft enough that it's mushy. That way the kids won't notice a weird texture in their food. And this is how it looks. If you could only smell this, so good. Delicious with some white rice and some pepper. Oh yeah, if you're making it for yourself, you can always add pepper in the beginning when you're frying the onions and garlic, or you can even add some cayenne pepper or chili powder. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video.